ever had a situation where you had a bad starter and you just don't know if the starter is bad or something else is bad or connection is bad? So the way to do it is you just take this, you connect your jump box to the lead, you connect this to the ground, and then you need a trigger wire, like for a pistol or something like that. So basically, you put this on the hot line, which is probably a jump box lead, and then you connect this to here. And if it doesn't do anything, just sparkles. If it doesn't spark, if it just sparkles and doesn't turn, that means the starter is pretty much stuck. So what you need to do is pretty simple. You just need to disconnect these wires. Next step, what you gotta do, you gotta get yourself a good solid hammer. And usually the rule of thumb is you gotta tap on it. But like, if it's a heavy duty starter, you don't just whack it. You just kind of whack it like this. Like, you gotta give it a bang. Just see if it works. Like, if it don't listen, you gotta convince it. Now, after all of this, you gotta try again. If that doesn't work and all of this fails, I have a backup option. Let's test it again. Yeah, still sparkles, so backup option it is. The backup option is this. You gotta get yourself a skid steer. If you don't have one, buy one. Because you gotta get your starter figure out. Then you get the skid steer and you just do this. Okay, that should do it. That should do it. Okay, let's test it. Free?
No.
How do you know that you're doing the things right and like you're on the right track? If you see dents, if you see cracks on your starter, that means you're on the right track. Like, this is confirming that like we're on the right track, you know? So now we just gotta test it. Like, make sure positive on positive lead, this is on the ground, and then we get a trigger wire. Flip this over a little, and let's try this out.